shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for February 7th, 2020. We are going to start with the SPY. We had a new dark pool level, by the way, yesterday. 5 million, not the biggest level, but definitely worth mentioning. 332.83. So we are slightly above that right now. So that's really a key level. I'll be bullish above 333.25. And then I will be bearish below 332 for a retracement trade for the SPY. Let's go to the E-minis. Check those out. E-minis bullish above 33.3750 and bearish below 33.2750. Let's go to the QQQs. I didn't do the Russell, by the way. There just really wasn't a lot of volume this morning, and so you know what? Let's not trade that today. The Qs bullish above 230 and bearish below 227. For the Qs. We did have another dark pool level on that as well. We've had two recently, one at 227.40 and one at 228.25. Now, they're not the biggest levels, but they have been the heaviest ones lately, so they are the most significant at this time. So that's why I would be bullish above them at 230 and bearish below 227. That's why I picked that level for the Qs. Sometimes they will play print pong. So if we go below 228.25, they may take it down to 227.40 and bounce it. So there could be a little short trade there, but in the bigger picture, those would be our levels. The NASDAQ futures bullish above 94.25, bearish below 93.95. And let's head on to oil. Yeah, what is going on with oil? Let's make this big. All right, so today we're going to be bullish above 51.37 all the way up here. We did have a really big volume spike here, so that's why I wanted to be bullish above that. And bearish below 50.50, and we just started to break down here to 50.50. All right, let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures, we had a big volume spike as well at about 5 a.m. So bullish above 15.76. Yeah, I'm just going to be bullish above here. And I'm going to be bearish below 15.65, below the pivot. This is my short trade. So this is kind of a no trading zone in the middle. All right, let's head on over to the major stocks. All right, let's start with Apple. Thank you, Otis. Otis emailed me that there was a massive print yesterday. 322.88. Yeah, 1 million. That's definitely worth watching, so thank you, Otis. Bullish above 324. Okay, I do see some room here above 324. And bearish below 321.75. All right, give it a little bit of room. Let's go to Uber. And thank you, Lady Hawk, for that one. Yep, Uber has been in my dark pool insights for quite a while. I think we've hit another target this morning. But today we're going to be bullish above 40. All right, really key level. Let me just see if there's anybody new lurking around there. No, big guy at 40.25 though. All right, so watch that. That's why that was my first target. There was a big seller there earlier too. Yeah, on the iNet, the NASDAQ book viewer, there is a guy selling at 40. There's a big buyer at 39 right now. That's why I'm bearish below 39. And I did write that. Yeah, it's the same guy as earlier. He's still there. For Uber, so bullish above 40 and bearish below 39 for a retracement trade. Let's go to pins. Another pick from Lady Hawk. I like it. Bullish above 27.50. Is it going to be a gap and go scenario or a pop and drop? These are awesome. I love these. Bearish below 26.50 for the pop and drop scenario. Bullish above 27.50 for the gap and go. All right, let's go to Tesla. Crazy Tesla. Yeah, so we didn't have an abandoned baby, but we did have a bearish evening star pattern right here. Didn't quite abandon that doji. There's no gap here, right? If there was two gaps, that would be abandoned. But nope, they saved that baby. So we are going to be bullish above 751 for Tesla and bearish below 724 today. I did see a buyer on ARCA at 725. Let's see if he's still there. Yep, he is. See that? 662, the biggest guy on here. So that is really key. Let's move on down to Goose. I know that they're getting a lot of snow up there in Canada. Canada Goose. However, not doing so well, or they didn't like their earnings. I'm not going to evaluate or analyze those earnings. I'm just going to follow the price action. And right now I do see some refreshing going on at 31. Yeah, pretty key level. Whenever you see a lot of these 31s here, see in the time and sales window, yeah, it's 100, 100, 100, 100. Yeah, that's when you want to watch this offer and see if they are refreshing. You should watch the ARCA book. It looks, you know what? It looks like it's on the NASDAQ book viewer. Yeah, you see all these? Hold on, it's a little bit off. NASDAQ, seeing some on EdgeX as well. They will refresh on many books. There's a big seller at 31.50 right now on the NASDAQ book. So we're going to be bullish, though, above 33. Yeah, those are my big levels. Bearish below 30. Now, sometimes, you know, I'll call these levels out to you, but during the day, watching price action, you know, if I see massive refreshing at a level, I am going to just go short. If it's on the offer, if it's on the bid, I'm going to go long. But these are really, really key levels to watch for the bigger picture. All right, so let's go to the next one. FXI, tons of dark pool activity coming into the China ETF. Bullish above 42.20. This is for a bigger swing trade. Let me just make this kind of bigger. Okay, so I'm going to be bullish above 42.20 for the bigger swing and bearish below 40.80. All right, can get a little choppy in this area, but there's really been a lot of prints on China lately. Let's go to Twitter. All right, Twitter, we're going to be bullish above 38.50 and bearish below 37.50 for Twitter. A lot of volume this morning. Okay, USO. USO, we are bearish below all those prints, by the way, that we've had, but today bearish below 10.59 for USO. We just went below that right now. Yeah, I'd only be bullish if we could break above the 8, above 11, but we do have prints in this 11.55 area, so that would be a retracement to prints if we were to go up. Okay, so keep that in mind. XOP. Yeah, oil and gas. It looks like we are testing that 3 million print we got last week, $19.31. If we close below that, that's going to be uber bearish, you guys. That's the key. So we'll see where we go from there. But we did have more prints yesterday. 1985, 500,000. 1967, 500,000. Yep, so watch that. That is a really key level for XOP. And HBI. Bullish above 1460. Remember we had that print before earnings, you guys. 1445, 945,000. Yeah, that was pretty big. And really waiting for after earnings to trade this one based on where it went. And we are below it. Now, if we do go above it, bullish above 1460, yep, that's going to be a great swing trade. and bearish below 1380. Yep, that's where we'll turn bearish today. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for February 7th. Now, next week, I'm teaching boot camp, my live 70-hour all live trading boot camp. We cover everything, day trading, swing trading. Yeah, the class is pretty full. Like, if you still want to get in, you can register today, but we will be closing registration for it at the end of the day. You can catch my next one. It's going to be May 18th, first week, and the second week will be June 1st. We already have a lot of people registering for that class. So yeah, so just let us know. You can email Stephanie with an F at thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.